Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, click on it or click enter. Right here at the top we need to click Add Device and then select Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case, and at the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts blinking white. Here we go, with just like few seconds, and now we see these earbuds at the device list. So click on it, and then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!